Do you need to replace the Palmrest assembly on your Dell Latitude 7410? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. First, loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Each screw on this laptop will need a Phillips number 0 screwdriver except for the keyboard assembly. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now disconnect the speakers. Remove the speakers. Next, remove the heat shield. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the antenna cables. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the LCD cable. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Now unscrew the cooling fan. Next, unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the LED cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the USH board cable. Then unscrew and disconnect the F-beam. Next, unscrew and remove the input-output board. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew the left and right LCD hinges. Next, open the LCD display assembly and separate it from the palmrest. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the power button. Next, unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.